Ever pondered the myriad uses of that humble kitchen staple, salt? Well, today we journey through 8 surprisingly diverse uses for this crystalline wonder. Strap in, it's going to be a savory ride. First on the list, salt is a versatile cooking ingredient. It enhances the flavor of virtually any dish, from sweet to savory and even cocktails. Just a dash can transform a meal from mediocre to mouth-watering. Secondly, salt can act as a natural preservative. It draws out moisture and creates an environment unsuitable for bacteria growth. That's why it's a key player in the preservation of meats and pickles. Next up, it's an effective cleaning agent. A little salt mixed with lemon juice can clean brass, copper, and even your kitchen sink. It's a natural, cost-effective alternative to chemical cleaners. Fourth, salt can help in gardening too. Sprinkling a little around plants can deter pests without the need for harmful pesticides. However, moderation is key, as too much can harm plants. Fifth on our list, salt can soothe a sore throat. Dissolving a teaspoon in warm water and gargling can provide temporary relief. It's a handy home remedy that stood the test of time. Moving on, salt aids in setting the color in fabrics. Adding it to the rinse cycle can prevent colors from fading, keeping clothes vibrant and fresh. Seventh, it's a natural exfoliant. Mixed with a little oil, it can scrub away dead skin, leaving your body feeling soft and rejuvenated. Lastly, salt can be used to extinguish small grease fires. It absorbs the heat and starves the fire of oxygen, effectively putting it out. In summary, salt is more than just a kitchen staple. From enhancing flavors and preserving foods to cleaning, gardening, and even health and safety applications, salt proves its worth in a myriad of ways. Its versatility is truly surprising, making it a household essential. So next time you reach for that salt shaker, remember, it's not just for seasoning.